It's so good to be out here. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a secret message. I'm going to share with you how to start ski touring, what to wear. Now, the important message is to start cold and be bold, or be bold and start cold. So what I find is that a lot of people start ski touring with too many clothes on. Okay, so they get really hot, and then as long as they go on literally 5-10 minutes down the line, they then need to get all their layers off and stop, and it slows everything down. So my message to you is to start cold and be bold. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you get all your layers off, be bold, and you're going to start cold. So we take the beanie off, we put the headband on. Ah, it's a nice sunny day. I get the category 4 glasses and I put my hat on top here of the bag system. Then I want to get my jacket off. I'll get my jacket off. This is when you really need to have a nice big bag, 28 litres or 30 litres if you can. And I'll fold it up. Down jacket comes off. That's my mid layer, so that'll be good on the summit. So I can put that on when I put in the summit, put it back in the top of the bag. Even take the jacket off the dog so he's ready to go up the hill. Depending on the weather, and if it's springtime and everything, sometimes I'll actually go down to my base layer. Okay, so I've got a mid layer here, so I'm going to strip that down too. Oh, yeah. Put that in my bag. I've got some nice light gloves, so I go up in a pair of light gloves. I come down in some thicker and insulated gloves. Then I'm ready to go. You ready now, Dookie, to go up? Good boy.